Okay, so Christmas is in like 2 days or a couple days whenever you're watching this. Shut up. So I kind of have a feeling that no one's gonna get me Christmas gifts this year because
I don't know why. So I took the initiative, right? As the leader that I am, and I bought my own presents. So I'm gonna be unboxing them here with you guys and everything. So
but before that, I have like a little special guest that she's been bothering me, so I'm just gonna let her be in my video, whatever.
hello.
Oh my god.
We're twins. We're twins.
Where did you
Yes.
come from?
From the floor.
So you heard what I said, right?
Yes, I heard everything.
I think you're on the list of like the people who are not gonna get me gifts, right? Better not. I have my gifts in here because I went to Sephora and I also went to Ulta, and you didn't go with me. You wish
Yes,
you did.
I
You
did.
didn't.
Okay. We're fighting.
Okay, so let me tell you something.
I'm a type of person that pays attention to detail, okay? And what I mean by that is that since I bought my own presents and I want this to be like a surprise,
I wrapped my own present.
it's so pretty. She put a ribbon on it. So we have
Everything.
3 or 4, I don't know.
I think I deserve the world, so I bought myself a lot of stuff. What was that face for?
Hater.
So I'm gonna start opening my gifts. I want to show you one that I didn't wrap because I needed to use it right away.
Right
Okay. So first of all, I got this little mirror for free. So here it
Free.
is.
That's one of a lifetime. Hi, you see us.
Yeah. So it's free. I'm gonna have this on my wallet. Not my wallet, my bag. And this is gonna be with me always. Ooh. I didn't know that was gonna hit you. Sorry.
It hit my Santa hat.
Sorry. Okay. The other thing that I bought for myself was the ceramide. This is one. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hello. There we go. The Dr. Jart cream, and we both use this because it's really good for like the winter.
P.S. Our skin's. You're
Keep
doing
going.
those
No,
on
no,
purpose.
no.
P.S. Our skins dry really fast in the wind because we're always
In the winter.
we're mostly outside a lot. That's why.
Yeah, we barely stay home. I'm gonna open my first gift. Okay, so I don't know what this is, so let me just open it.
You forgot?
You shouldn't have gotten it for me. Thank you. That's very generous of you. And I love this paper wrap.
This reminds me of the commercial where this guy he got himself a coffee.
Coffee thing. He's like, I got you this new coffee thingy jiggy, and he's like,
Thingy majiggy.
yeah. And then he's in the mirror. He's like, oh my god, you should have. And then he opens it, and he's like, oh my god, I love you so much.
Why does that look creepy? I know. Yeah, like. No, it's okay. Leave her there.
get creeped out.
She's looking at you. She's facing the other side now. She's in timeout.
The first thing that I got myself, I remembered already just by looking at it.
Oh damn.
The Glam Glow Volcasmic moisturizer, and the girl at Sephora told me that this one was really good if I wear makeup every day, which I do. She said what
Spill the
she said?
tea.
What did she say? She said that this one's really good. It's like a primer and a moisturizer at the same time. It's really good for someone who has like really dry skin like me. And I love Glam Glow. I have the purple mask, and I have the black mask and the white mask, and I've had the cleansers, and I love them a lot. Why are you hating on me? You saw how
You're
shit.
creeping me out. You're like, I had this one, I had this one, I had this one, I had this
Are
one.
you
Like,
jealous because I have all of them? Give me that.
I don't need those. I mean, I do.
yes, you're jealous then. That's what you are.
Okay, the next break.
Jealous.
The next present is this one.
You get to choose what I open. You get to choose the presents that I open. Alright.
The next little present that I bought for myself, what can it be?
I don't know, what can it
I
be?
don't know.
It's a paleta. I mean, palette.
Oh my god, you This is the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie Francation palette. Oh my god. I already love me so much.
Let's open this up.
Yeah. Alright, here it is. Oh,
Here it is.
gorgeous.
Oh, gorgeous. I know me.
Oh my god. Open it together. Oh my god, so pretty. Love it so much.
Okay,
Oh
next
my god, we
one.
only have 2 left. That's so sad.
This one? This one? And
What do you want to open?
No, we'll go with this one. I wonder what this can be. Let's see. So first we start unwrapping the little tape.
Whoever wrapped this, beautiful skills.
Use yourself. No, we want to know something funny. I ran out of papers. It's like exposed.
Yeah, I remember.
You remember?
I remember.
You're an instigator. That's who you are. She's
You know,
always where I'm
I
at.
was
I can
sitting
never be
right
by myself.
next to her.
Oh my god.
I bought myself a Dolce & Gabbana The One rollerball. This is one of my favorite what is it?
Perfume?
Perfumes.
Because this is the first perfume. Yeah. The first perfume that my husband bought for me back when he was like my boyfriend or whatever.
And I love it so much.
Which is my dad.
Mm-hmm. Smell it, smell it, smell it.
This
And
one's
this is
so
the
good.
perfume that he loved a lot. So if he likes me to smell like that, then damn it, I'm gonna wear it.
What I really wish that people can do. I mean, like not people can do, but I wish that you guys could smell this. It smells so
Yeah,
good.
it smells really good. It smells like sweet.
And roses.
Yeah, like I don't know. Oh my god, it just goes really well with me. This. Okay.
Now we're
And
done.
the very last product. This is it. This is over. I'm gonna have to go buy me more presents because this is ridiculous. Like, last product, but certainly not the least, because I'm gonna go again to the store.
Lashes.
Lashes. I really needed lashes. Thank you, Maritza. I needed them so much. All right. So these are 5 pairs of the Ardell Wispy lashes.
These are my favorite lashes. They have there's also like the double wispies, which is like 2 of these combined, which make them thicker. But this is perfect just for like everyday kind of looks. And even if I want something like thicker, then I can just double them together.
Isn't that great?
These are the best. Love you so much. I want to thank Santa for getting me all my presents. She's the best. She really knows what I like.
Hashtag.
Everything that she got for me was exactly what I needed for Christmas. And so now I can die happy.
Hashtag Mrs. Claus Maritza.
Yes.
Who got her these gifts? Bye. You didn't say give me a thumbs up ahead.
No, I don't do that.
You don't?
No.
Exposed. I'm just kidding.
People always give me thumbs down. Why would I need to say give me a thumbs up? if I already know what I'm gonna get. I'm serious. True thesis.